So this video is a list of foods that can give you hair that is healthy and strong from inside. These are also the foods that I include regularly in my diet now. It's been just a month and I can already see the difference. Number 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients not just for your hair but a host of other factors. As the name suggests, omega-3 fatty acids are full of good fats and this helps keep your scalp conditioned and stop flaking. Apart from that, omega-3 fatty acids also aid in hair growth and add shine to your hair. Studies also show that omega-3 fatty acids improve blood circulation, which means that their intake helps nutrient reach your hair roots. Also, they are known to prevent hair root inflammation. Sources of omega-3 fatty acids: fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna and sardine, flaxseed and hemp oil. Number 6. Protein. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Know this, if you don't give your hair the proteins it needs, hair growth will stop or rather rest. This means that while your older hair will fall out, newer hair will stop growing to replace it. So if you don't want your hair to thin out, make sure you include enough protein in your diet. Luckily, there are many options available for both animal and veg proteins. Want the goodness of animal proteins but afraid of the fats? Sources of protein: lean meat, chicken and poultry, fishes, seafood like oysters, shrimps and crabs, cheese, lentils, beans, grams, pulses, soybean. Number 5. B vitamins. Vitamin B5, B7 and B12. B vitamins are essential for strong hair. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid is great for healthy hair and you can see that it is one of the most popular ingredients in hair growth products. Vitamin B5 helps repair damaged hair shafts. Sources: sunflower seeds and egg yolk. Vitamin B7 is also called vitamin H or biotin. Biotin is again used in many hair growth products because it is essential for keratin, the hair protein. Studies show that biotin deficiency is tied to hair thinning and may even result in baldness. Sources: meat livers, eggs, avocados and peanuts. Vitamin B12 is another vitamin that is important for hair growth. It aids in cells division and production of blood cells. This means that intake of vitamin B12 improves blood circulation and aids in hair repair. Studies show that vitamin B12 deficiency results in hair loss. Source: all animal proteins. However, there is no natural vegetarian source of vitamin B12, so talk to your doctor to find the right supplement for yourself. Number 4. Iron. Iron is an essential mineral and especially for hair growth. Iron deficiency may lead to anemia and that causes hair loss. This is because iron is vital for production and the health of blood cells. So without sufficient iron, your hair and scalp will not get the required nutrients or oxygen. Sources of iron: lean meats, seafood, plantains, spinach, banana, tomato, olive and cashew nuts. Number 3. Zinc. When talking about hair, most people often don't think about zinc. But did you know that it is vital for repairing your hair? If you have hair damage, you must incorporate zinc in your diet. In fact, studies tie zinc deficiency to alopecia. Not only that, zinc also helps your body absorb other nutrients that are essential for hair growth. Sources of zinc: seafood like shrimps, mollusks, wheat germ, peanuts, milk and cheese. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C's role in giving you stronger hair is well known. Vitamin C is great at fighting free radical damage and helps your body process iron. It also helps in collagen production that strengthens your hair. Sources for vitamin C are amla, orange, guava, lemons, kiwi, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts, kale, berries, all you want. Vitamin C supplements are easily available but often come in different combinations. So talk to your doctor and find the right combination for yourself. Number 1. Vitamin D. Deficiency in vitamin D, especially D3, is linked to hair loss. Studies show that lack of vitamin D may be tied to alopecia and may even cause thinning of hair for people who don't have alopecia. Vitamin D stimulates the roots of hair, which helps in hair growth. Some studies also indicate that lack of vitamin D may result in premature graying. So take vitamin D3 supplements if you have prematurely graying and brittle hair. Sources: exposure to sunlight, eggs, mushrooms, cheese, soy milk, and fatty fish. Factors that may contribute to hair loss and thinning. While we should always do our best to maintain a healthy diet, we must also be aware that there are many other factors that may be responsible for poor hair health. These may be poor nutrition, family history, medications, radiation therapy, pregnancy, thyroid disorders, anemia, autoimmune diseases, polycystic ovary syndrome, skin conditions such as psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis, stress, dramatic weight loss, physical trauma. Some of these may require medical intervention, while others may need extensive lifestyle changes. Talk to a qualified medical professional to know how to manage your health better if you are affected by any of the above reasons. Hair loss reason: insulin resistance. If you have blood sugar problems and are pre-diabetic or have been diagnosed with full-blown diabetes, you can have hair problems. In other words, consistently high insulin levels in your blood due to high blood sugar can cause a host of hair problems, from hair thinning to hair loss. Good blood sugar control via diet changes and exercise can help reverse the effects of hair loss due to insulin resistance. Medications that affect hair health. Some medicines can lead to hair loss, like acne medications, antibiotics, antifungal drugs, antidepressants, birth control pills, chemotherapy drugs. If you're on multiple medications, ask your doctor if any of them have hair loss or hair fall as side effects. If yes, ask them if there are any alternatives. If you like this video, share it. Subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to make free and entertaining videos like this. Thank you.